Hello, my mask represents the life of Jimena Padilla. The colors and drawings show her emotion problems at the important moment in her life. The purple color represents sadness and her eating disorder when she was a child. And the red color represents love, family, and strong emotions. The pink color represents her children and the love she has for them. The orange color represents basketball. The blue color represents calm, mm, maturity, and responsibility in her life now. The masks have abstract meaning because life is not perfect and emotions can feel confusion sometimes.